Case study related to the chapter Lines and Angles. For class 9, the case study is this. OA, OB, OC, OD, OE and OF are 6 roads and all join at a point O. These roads making angle A, B, C, D and E according to the figure. Roads OD and OE are perpendicular to each other. AD and CF are straight lines and intersect each other at O. Angle ABC, the ratio in the angle A, angle B is to angle C are in the ratio 2:3:4. A teacher showed this figure to the student of mathematics and asked the following questions. See this figure. The roads OA, OB, OC, OD, OE and OF. There are 6 roads meet at a point O, making angle ABC, DE, and this angle is OD and OF are perpendicular to OD and OE roads are perpendicular to each other. It means this angle equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now find the question. Answers of the following questions. What is the angle between OB and OC roads? OB and OC. Okay. Now OB and OC is OB and OC, the angle B. The angle between OB and OC is B. So now ratio with A is to B is to C equal to 2:3:4. अब हमको एंगल B पता करना है तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले A इक्वल टू लेंगे 2x, B इक्वल टू 3x and C इक्वल टू 4x. The sum of these three angle equal to the 180 degree because they are forming a straight line. So we can solve like this. 2x plus 3x plus 4x equal to 180 degree. It means 9x equal to 180 degree and x equal to 20 degree. If x equal to 20 degree, it means angle A equal to 40 degree. 20 into 2, 60, 20 into 3 and 80. Angle B equal to 60 degree. It means the angle between OB and OC is 60 degree. 20, 40, 60 and 80. This is the right answer. Next, what is the value of angle D? See the angle D. Angle D is vertically opposite to angle A. A equal to angle D. Therefore, angle A equal to 40 degree. Angle D equal to 40 degree. Okay, angle A equal to angle D, vertically opposite angles. Now, what are the complementary angles out of the 4 options? Angles out of the 4 options. Complementary means sum of 2 angles equal to the 90 degree. See AB, BC, CD and DE. Now see AB. The sum of A and B not equal to 90 degree. BC is also not equal to 90 degree. CD is not equal to 90 degree. But D and E, sum of D and E equal to 90 degree because AD is a straight line. This is the perpendicular. This angle equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle AOE equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle D and E are forming complementary angles. D and E. Okay. The next one, which pair of the angles does not form supplementary angle? Supplementary means the sum of 2 angles equal to the 180 degree. So now say AOB, BOD. In the figure, AOB and BOD. AOB and BOD forming a 180 degree angle. Okay, this is a supplementary angle. AOE, DOE. See, AOE and DOE. These are also supplementary angle. The sum of these two is 180 degree. AOF and DOF. See, AOF and DOF. AOF is this angle and DOF is this. Also the sum is 180 degree. And the last option, COD and DOE. COD and DOE not. These two angles are not forming a straight line. Therefore, these angles are not supplementary angles. this pair is not forming a supplementary angle. Next, last question. The angle D and E are called vertically opposite angle, corresponding angle, adjacent, and none of these. See in figure D and E. D and E are the adjacent angle because they have a one common arc between them. Okay, so D and E are the adjacent angles. Complementary adjacent angles. Adjacent angle. Okay, this is the case study related to the chapter lines and angle. Okay.